I can talk to you on the phone all day long, but nah, I get nervous in front of the camera.
Don't be nervous, dude.
My name's McCorquodale, Vice President of Indiana Recovery Service. Been in the repossession field since 2010, pretty much oversee all the operations that we have for Indiana Recovery, cover the whole state of Indiana. So I'm the guy that you guys, anyone will generally speak to when you call in. So when looking at Insightt, you got a clean dashboard that you can just look, see what's going on with the company, whether it's client related, whether it's agent related. You're not clicking 7 buttons and trying to see what is going on with your agents. You can just look on the leaderboard, see what's going on. If you have a client issue, you can look on the reports real quick, see what's going on. It just cleans everything up. As anyone will say, competition drives numbers. I mean, anyone's willing to compete against anyone. It's human nature. The camera card though, we use Slack for everything. So drivers are just posting on Slack. Camera car agents, spotters, everyone's just posting on Slack. So you gotta take their information that they're posting and then translate that into wherever you wanna track it. For us, we just left it on Slack and kept looking, but now we can look on a dashboard, but actual numbers. It's not what they're typing in. Now you actually have what they're doing. It's their spotted vehicles. It's finally factual information. You're not using a human element anymore. You've removed that. So I wouldn't say we really changed anything per se. I mean, we stayed status quo. It's driven competition because your top camera car agent doesn't want to be number 2 anymore. When it comes to camera car agents, our top agent, her name is Angie, and she's a beast. She said that Insightt, so I actually came to her and said, what do you think of it? She said, do not get rid of it. I don't care what you need to pay for it. Do not get rid of it, was her words to me. She said, because I went to her, I was like, is it another app? Is this too much for you guys? And she's like, no, do not get rid of it. I need it. Yes, she goes, I need to be at the top. She said, I need to be able to track what I'm doing every day because stuff just gets lost. You look on Slack, 10 cars later, you forgot what was at the top, so. Oh man, so actually it was Todd Case, the owner, that came to me and he's like, dude, I think we gotta try out Insightt. I was talking to Scott Main, he's like, dude, it's changed us. And I was like, all right, another task. I'm gonna be honest, I was like, another task on the board, because I knew what was coming down the channel right now was that I'm gonna be put back onto bringing out another thing for everyone to be doing. So he's like, I think we should try it. And ever since then, I mean, started talking to Brennan, started talking to Dimitri, and before you know it, it was that one idea that then transpired into me just taking it over and doing. I mean, you can look at Insightt 7 different ways. You can look at it on what you want to look at. So right off the board, you got the leaderboard. You get to see what your agents are actually doing. Do you have an agent that sucks that you should probably fire? Yes, probably. They're at the bottom of the barrel. You're like, why are we even putting you in the truck? Move on to reporting for clients. You can't find the information unless you put it into an Excel sheet. You try to then divulge whatever that information is, and if you have a major in Excel, then you're gonna figure that out. But Insightt, you can just jump into the report. You can look and see what a report has. You can understand what a client is paying, or not paying, but understand what a client is doing, your recovery rate. It gives you insight to what's going on with your clients. So, Insightt. I would recommend Insightt to other owners, anyone that is in the industry that wants to have actual factual data at that point in time. Lifetime data is what you need in this industry. You need to be seeing what's going on with the company, whether it's on the agent level or it's on the admin side. I mean, if you're seeing what's going on with the client, so you got to be able to know what your clients are doing.